KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to do burpee box jumps. So this variation, we're going to be doing facing the box. We're going to do a burpee. If you want to know all the modifications for doing burpees, watch my video on burpees. But full variation, jump down, chest to deck, jump your feet back in. If you need to step closer to the box, you can totally do that. If you can just jump straight in from your burpee and then onto the box, landing both feet at the same time, you can step down or you can hop down. You can also do, your modification of a burpee. Step up. Just make sure that, however you decide to do it, you're alternating your feet as you do the step up. So for more awesome ways to get in your cardio, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.